So you have some crypto and it's on an exchange and you really are scared to like take it off there, but you know that you need a cold wallet and you're looking at all these different cold wallets. You're looking at Arculus and EliPal and Ledger and Trezor. And I can tell you, I've used all of them. I've messed with all of them. There's a bunch of like good players in the market, but I can tell you above all, I use Decent. And the reason I use Decent, well, there's lots of reasons I use Decent. Decent's interface is just way better. I don't know if you guys have ever used Ledger. It makes it very difficult to transact with it. The interface on Decent is fantastic. Super easy to use. The UI is fantastic. Additionally, beyond just the UI, they have a biometric to be able to sign transactions, which you do not get with these other cold wallets. And then beyond that, they have a much larger breadth of assets that you could hold on a Decent wallet versus almost any other one. Decent just makes it super easy and convenient for you to hold all your assets in one place on a cold wallet and know that they're secure. And on that topic, you can actually add a 25th seed word to make it even more secure and less hackable by other people. And you can keep that one to yourself on a separate piece of paper or however you want to do it. Best practices for this, if you are going to have a cold wallet, when you write that seed phrase down, do it 3 separate times. You might put them on an arc plate or some other type of hard metal and engrave it that way so that if there's a fire, it doesn't burn. Or you could hold, multiple copies in a couple different locations. That's the way I used to do it before I held my stuff in institutional custody with Anchorage. But yeah, Decent is by far above and beyond the absolute best, in my opinion, cold wallet to hold all of your digital assets in one space securely with the best UI and a biometric to secure it. And so, that's what I used before I moved into institutional custody. And that's why we partnered with them.